Sanya betumi aboa amaya pomuden afa ne ntoma pa afra wo man Ghana mu entie no ukopie mu ewo Weija-Gbawe mensini no no wo man Ghana kropon kase enkampomponi mantemu a assembly no etumi esi eye Ultramodern eye ayarosabia eno efa empamba ba ko ensia eye maternity bebi awofo ebeje awo no wono etumi esi kama pa me no kase ne de no wono apa hontoma wo mo de ama de hia wono Oblogo ene mpatemu se wo mo entumi fendi dwuma dwumedie na so no for Patrick Kumo MC at the NSMC and at the 2 Edra.
Honorable Presiding Member, Honorable Assembly Members, our heads of department, Director, nurses, DNS, and your staff, party faithfuls, all gathered here, all protocols duly observed. I bring you warm greetings from His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. I also use this opportunity to wish you a new year, yes, a prosperous one at that. And also, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the people of Oblogo for the surprise and the shock they gave us 7th December. It is in relation to the results that came after the counting. We gave them our word, they also gave their word, and truly Oblogo really delivered for the new patriotic party and the president is really happy. Let me also promise the people of Oblogo that we have a very big project that is coming. That will give a lot of job for the youth of this community. I will call the chiefs to the office and make it known to them so that they will know that whatever they did, the support that they gave to the Member of Parliament, Honorable Tinanai Lemensa, and the President has been really appreciated. And also to my assembly members, my heads of department and staff, I must say I'm most grateful for your continued support that you have given this assembly. Myself and our Member of Parliament, we are most grateful. 2021 and beyond is going to be a beautiful year for our municipality. There is so much that is going to be done in terms of development in all the 14 electoral areas. We are going to see a lot of infrastructural development in your various communities. So keep your fingers crossed. Let's keep the unity together. Let's keep fighting for Weija-Gbawe. And I tell you, we sure will be the winners at the end of the day. Yeah. I would like to thank my engineer and the contractor. I believe we were here in October to break the grounds for the construction of this beautiful edifice, and he promised to deliver in record times. The project has a duration of 6 months, but this project has been delivered in 4 months. We have similar projects across the municipality. As I speak to you, we are having one clinic coming up at Weija. We have another one at Tetegu, and the other at Bonse, which very soon all will be commissioned for the use of our people. A lot of other developments are coming, and Oblogo will be one of the key areas under my administration this very year. The road from Jama Junction through to Oblogo will see some asphalting in the coming weeks. Then of course, the link roads in the new areas will be attended to have some bitumen and some drains in those communities. I will thank my Member of Parliament, Honorable Tinanai Lemensa, greatly for her support and her everything. That has brought us these beautiful things that we see today, of which we told the people of this constituency to give us 4 more years to do more. And they have done exactly that. Honorable Tina, we are most grateful. I believe the unity and collaboration that has existed between us will be continuing to bring a lot more development to our people. Our people are expecting to see more. And whatever we need to do as 2 leaders to make sure we make this constituency, municipality, one of the best in Greater Accra is what we are doing. Continue to keep faith with us, and we promise not to let you down. Thank you all so very much, and God richly bless you all. I will also advise the health personnel here at Oblogo to put this facility into good use and maintain it as you see it today. We keep saying that we ask for what?
We asked for a shed.
Okay.
And you have provided a complete building.
Absolutely. You have your gem sets. All that government needs to do to make sure our frontline workers are safe to continue to fight the COVID-19 is going to be done. The assembly will be there 24 hours to support you for us to fight this deadly disease. Thank you once again, and God richly bless you all.